Hi there, it's Rob. We're on the backlinking course. We've got to video number 4, and it's social media links, inbound links, right? So here's how this works. Social media for a long time were absolutely rubbish links. Google never counted them. 5 years ago maybe, and backwards. And then bit by bit, and I'm saying 5 years, it's a time ago, they started to count. And a year or two ago, they became very powerful. Because Google suddenly realized that if people are talking about you on social media, it's good. Of course, immediately the SEO world, that's myself and millions of other people, cottoned onto it and immediately started to do everything via social media. And Google started to tone down the value they gave to social media links. Okay. And it's a constant war that Google has to wage with us because Google needs the most relevant sites. I get all of that. Okay, so a backlink from social media is still very, very valid. Firstly, if you put a thing on Twitter or Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn or Pinterest or whatever, there's a very high chance Google will find it, follow that link to your site and index that link and your site. In other words, remember that you've got that out there and it's a benefit to your website. Okay, so social media is good. I'm going to tell you, no matter what you do, how you do it, do social media non-stop in a big way. Don't mess around. Every single thing you do on your website, share it on social media. Hell, if it's a really big one, share it every third day, forever. Put it on a spreadsheet. Just call it a different title each time and share it. Share 10 things in a row. By the way, if you're going to share on Twitter, add images. Actually, add images or videos to everything when you tweet. Don't just tweet. Tweet with an image, 10 times the return. Okay, so there is the social media that you join. Okay, so in other words, you can have all of these social media profiles, your Twitter account, and when you tweet about yourself, it's still a social media link, and it's fine, and it's good, and it's a little bit less, if I'm correct in understanding this, but it doesn't even matter, so don't worry about me explaining it that way. It's good to get social media links from other people, right? And I don't know if I talk about it later down here, so if I don't, automation, I do. Social Adder, IFTT, and other software. So what you do is you set up those three. IFTTT still shares your own stuff, or you can build a separate blog network. Pay for it, do it yourself, ouch. Or you can do, I'll talk about this in here. Social Adder is where other people, real accounts, are sharing it for you. And you could do a very bad thing and go to Fiverr and pay them to share your links via social media. And I say very bad thing, it's just a half a very bad thing. The problem is they might share it on spammy accounts on Facebook that they've used software to make, and spammy accounts everywhere, and then it kind of shows up as all these, dirty flashes of links. Is that the dirtiest link I can think of? A dirty flasher link pitching up on your site. What have I got here? Types of linking. It doesn't go anywhere. Types of linking. So yeah, sorry, that would be yours and other people's. Okay. And by the way, again, hyperlinking, a keyword, in other words, contextual, putting the words and linking that out. All of it are different ways to get back to you. Ultimately, though, I'm not even going to make this huge. Incidentally, in here, I always belong to Twitter because it's a really cool thing that Google loves. Facebook is nice to have stuff on, but you need to have built a following for it to work. If you just randomly posting on Facebook and you think things are going to happen, if you're going to pay for advertising, Twitter works very well. If you're going to pay for advertising, Instagram works well. There are other ways too that would kind of fall under social media. So messenger links, WhatsApp chats, I have a suspicion some of them show up to your site, but take care. Just don't rely on it. To be honest, I think that Google knows everything. I'll be working for a client here when I was doing websites more, and I'd do a search for something weird, kayaking, and the next minute I've got kayak ads all over the place. Now, excuse me, and not just on Facebook, I'm talking in my emails. So yeah. Anyway, so I was trying to say, some of these, if you're going to do, I'm busy doing right now, I've started a case study for a travel blog. So keep a lookout for it on the training. Pinterest and Facebook. In fact, all of these four, but especially Pinterest and Facebook, are going to be where I'm going to drive my traffic from. People love to click the cool stuff. So I've already decided to target adventure travel. And so if I'm going to go out there and say, I'm going to put together a post, a page, the top 10 places to paraglide. I don't have a clue if there's such a thing. I'd research it. Parasail, it doesn't matter. And then I'll go and put it, and then when I've got it, I'm going to go and put together 20 really cool banner images and pour them into a single post on Facebook. I promise you people are going to share and share and share that like crazy. The same images on Pinterest, they are just too cool. People are going to want to go there and find out what, top most popular paragliding places in the world are. And when they get there, I've got traffic, I've got rankings, and after a while, I've got clicks and making money. So social media, really cool to get the clicks, but it does get you backlinks. So done. Click and share, click and share, click and share. Don't be scared. By the way, sometimes you need to go in here, Pinterest for sure, so follow my training on social media. And if you were like mine, travel, so in Pinterest I would have a paragliding section, I would have a kayaking, I'd have rock climbing, all of those things that I want to target, because at the end of them there's an affiliate program that I can make money on. I'm not just going to target rock climbing if I can't send them anywhere where I can make money, although I can send the rock climbers to Amazon and buy rock chipping things. Do you think I know anything about rock climbing, people? So yeah, know that in each of these cases, Facebook, you will have pages and groups, and you will make them come alive with paid traffic, with whatever. Let me get out of here. I'm now talking other SEO. This is backlinks. Click and share the links to your site often. Don't be scared. The more the merrier. This one is one you do forever. Okay, cool. Next video. Cheers.